your name?
My name is Naomi Anderson.
Alright. Talk to me about today's experience. I see you wearing one of the shirts. Shop with a cop. How do you feel about it and what did you get today?
I feel really good because I got to buy my mother a birthday gift, which I couldn't afford. But thanks to Officer Mentor and the other police officers who were there, I really appreciate it, sir. I feel really good.
And what school do you attend?
I attend the Black River High School.
Any goal for you in the future in terms of education?
Yes, sir. I would love to become a psychologist and also a head girl at Black River High School.
And what does this mean to you in terms of the police giving you this kind of support at Christmas?
Sir, it allows me, I always love the police. I always love police, but now it allows me to love them even more, show that they put smiles on each and every child for this Christmas. So it brightens my Christmas. Thank you, Officer Mentor.
No problem, and Merry Christmas when it comes.
Same to you, sir.
Right, we're here today in the Santa Cruz area, members of the management team, the Community Safety and Security arm of the division, not a police personnel. We are in our second staging of our Shop with a Cop initiative. We are now with almost 60 students, well over 100% increase from last year. A number of our children, students, and their parents are supporting this initiative. I want to express appreciation to our sponsors, to the police officers across all 11 stations that contributed to this initiative in making the lives of almost 60 children a little better than it would be. And so this is our second staging. We hope to continue it. I want to again give credit to Acting Assistant Commissioner Chris Phillips, who is the brainchild for this initiative, and it is being used in several divisions, including the St. Elizabeth Division. We intend to continue to use initiatives as this to reach our children, particularly those we have in our schools. We're reaching them through the police youth clubs. We are using other interventions to reach our students and to ensure that we can provide some form of mentorship and moral compass as we help in guiding them through the stages of life.
What do you think this can do to the young ones?
Well, certainly the feedback from the students who are here and the parents have been very positive. Many of them express their own appreciation to the police and in fact are seeing the police in a different light. They are for the first time getting very close to a police officer where they're able to touch and to hug a police man or woman and to express how appreciative they are in just being so close to the officer. And so we intend to use this moment to bridge that gap between our citizens and the police and to ensure that going forward we build the relations even stronger. So there are 11 police stations across the division. All 11 station commanders would have submitted persons from the different stations. And so from the 11 stations we have several persons coming. Then we have some persons who were part of the initiative last year that are also here. And just some persons that we came across throughout the year, persons from various matters relating to the police, some that we intervene as it relates to our Community Safety and Security arm, and we maintain those contact and relations and invited them to be part of this initiative.
Thank you.
You have to say it louder.
Lord,
Say it again.
after free, give me
got-
sorry about that. No intentions to. You're getting the brightest smile today.
Thank you.